Okay. Uh, all of these ones that create or that say create on them, they all create the other tables that we need, adding in the foreign keys where necessary, um, checking to ensure that the score is correct and all of that. Uh, yeah, so just scroll on by. Uh, this is my get people function. This is for later when I want to retrieve the username. Um, yeah, I use it in one case in order to uh, say hello to the user using their username rather than their user ID. As I'm trying to get away from using user ID. I use the IDs a lot here. I'll fix that in project or in part 3. But yeah. Next, we have our insert statements. Yeah, our insert statements. Uh, so this one inserts jokes with the necessary things, using now in order to store the uh, using now in order to store the uh, date into the table, the post time. Review is almost exactly the same, though it stores score and remark. It uses the now function as well for the submit time. Uh, yeah. Next up is tag. I haven't quite figured out how to really do anything with tags. I'm gonna fix it for part 3, but I couldn't finish it or I couldn't fix it in time. Um, Something I was able to do though is properly make use of friends. This includes inserting and deleting, which are both here. We also have inserting and deleting favorites. This is for storing your favorite jokes. And then we have lists. This one lists all the people so that I can display it. This is actually my one that's kind of for debugging. This is one that I use to show your friend list. This is another debugging one, and this is the one I use to show your favorite list. Yeah, it just uses an SQL query that takes the user ID and outputs